Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete downloaded songs on Apple Music to free up storage space on your device, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove music files while keeping your library intact. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac device. Step 2. Tap on Library at the bottom of the screen to access your music collection. Step 3. Select Downloaded to view all songs that are currently stored on your device. Step 4. Find the song, album, or playlist you want to remove from your device storage. Step 5. On iPhone or iPad, tap and hold the item, then select Remove from Library or Delete from Library. Step 6. Choose Remove Download to keep the song in your library but delete it from your device, or Delete from Library to remove it completely. Step 7. On Mac, click the three-dot icon next to the item and select Delete from Library or Remove Download. Step 8. Confirm your choice to free up storage space while maintaining access to your music through iCloud if you chose Remove Download. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.